The status is that we're in a process called discovery, which means that we are working to develop and establish the facts that we're going to need to prove the case. The next steps are to finish our discovery, so that includes gathering documents, speaking with witnesses, taking depositions of witnesses, and after that we'll go to trial. It takes an enormous amount of both financial and human resources to establish the facts for the entire educational system in the entire state of Florida, including facts specific to all 67 counties. In terms of the human resources, we have all the lawyers at Southern Legal Counsel working on this case. We're also partnering with John Mills at the University of Florida, and we have private pro bono attorneys helping us, as well as legal aid attorneys from all around the state who are donating their time to help us develop the enormous amount of facts and documents and materials that we need to prove this case. Aside from hundreds and hundreds of hours of man-hours, it takes significant resources, probably in the range of several hundreds of thousands of dollars just to hire experts to help us prove our case, and these are experts in different areas of education. We're looking at several different types of experts, but for example, we'll need an expert to talk about the graduation rates in Florida and why Florida has one of the lowest graduation rates in the country. We also are going to need an expert to talk about teacher quality, what types of supports teachers need, and just generally how teacher quality and training affects a student's education. And we also need an expert to talk about funding and how funding and the way that that the legislature funds the schools affects the education that the kids get at the end of the day. We accept donations on our website, which is www.southernlegal.org. And if anyone has any questions or would like to speak to someone, they can also call our office, and our number is 352-271-8890.